Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a super soft and delicious chocolate cake. And the best part is, you don't need eggs, no maida, and no oven. Let's get started. First, take 1 cup of yogurt and add 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. Mix it really well. You can use a whisk or a blender. Once it's mixed, leave it to rest for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, take 2 bananas and cut them in half. Now, in a blender, add 3/4 cup sugar, 1/2 cup oil, 1/3 cup milk, and blend everything well until smooth. Next, add your dry ingredients. 1 1/4 cup atta, wheat flour, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Blend it again using a beater until you get a smooth, lump-free batter. Now, grease your cake pan with oil. Place the cut half bananas at the bottom of the pan. Slowly pour the cake batter over the bananas. Here's the trick to cook without an oven. Take a large pan and add some water to it. Place the pan on the stove first, then carefully put your cake pan inside the water pan. Make sure the cake pan isn't touching the direct heat. Cover the pan tightly so it's airtight. Cook on low flame until the cake is fully done. Once cooked, let it cool for a few minutes, then remove it carefully. And there you have it. A moist, eggless, maida-free chocolate banana cake that's soft and delicious. Before you go, please tell me in the comments where you're watching me from. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more easy recipes. See you next time.